Hello everyone. It is a very obvious question. Why do some marriages fail even though there is astrological compatibility check has been done by the astrologers on the birth chart of bride and groom? Certainly, some marriages fail. There are certain reasons which are generally ignored by the astrologers while deciding the compatibility between bride and groom. The first thing is there is a probability of data being incorrect. There is a full possibility the data which has been provided is not correct. The second possibility is astrologers generally ignore the natural promises present in the birth chart of an individual. Supposingly, A is having some negative influences in the birth chart regarding marriage, which are naturally present in the birth chart, and the astrologer ignores it and looks at the compatibility and guna matching, that there are certain gunas matching and we can go ahead with the marriage. That is the wrong way. We need to see the natural promises present in the birth chart of a boy and the girl before deciding for marriage. Secondly, the basic temperamental understanding of bride and groom is being ignored by the astrologers. We need to understand as an individual what is the temperament of a boy and what is the temperament of a girl. If they are compatible with each other, then only we can go ahead. In certain cases, if we find automatically there is a promise in the birth chart in the behavior of a boy or a girl, there is a lot of ego while leading life, or they just enter into cold wars with the partner or with other people around them. They have this kind of temperament. This is a basic issue which needs to be addressed and looked upon before we decide yes on the compatibility between the both. Aspect which is ignored, that is financial compatibility between two partners. Like what are the promises one is having or carrying in the birth chart about the finances in the future. Also, we need to see the physical urge or physical demand of the partners, both the partners. Supposingly, a person is having strong physical urges compared to the other one, it will lead to issues and marriage will fail. High probability is there. So before we decide and go ahead with the final compatibility, we have to look into many factors, many parameters. Then we decide whether we have to go into this relationship or not. These are the certain factors which lead to marriage failure. So before you decide to marry somebody, do consider the birth charts seriously and look into the various factors. May God bless you with good life. Be happy.